Well, the organization itself, the Hanover Horton Area Historical Society, was founded when a local farmer who had collected antique reed organs was wanting a place for them to be kept because he was getting older. And so that was founded, and we inherited, I think it was 76 of his organs. That's how it was founded, and then we kind of grew from there. So we now have, which is a 1900 Hanover High School building. We have a Herrick building where we have our offices and our organ workshop, and then we have Heritage Park across the street, which is 82 acres, which we farm and then have events there, and we have several buildings over there, mostly dealing with agricultural history. We now have 100 restored organs. As far as we know, we're the largest collection of organs. The building itself is built in 1911 because in 1910 it burned down, so it was built in the same form as the original. Even though it was a high school, it housed kindergarten through high school. The organs are all in what was the gymnasium, and the rest of the museum is devoted to local history. We have the printing equipment that was the Hanover Horton local printed there, and we have one room set up as a 1900s, early 1900s classroom. And upstairs we have a room set apart for the businesses and industries in the Hanover Horton area. We recently built an antique farm equipment barn that is filled with antique machinery. And we have a sugar shack, which is where every spring we make our own maple syrup to sell. And we just are rebuilding a cabin that formerly came from the Horton area. Hanover is not someplace you drive through, okay? And it's someplace you have to know you're going to, because it's off the road a little bit. But it has meant a great deal to me with being able to work and volunteer with it and to help create activities and events that will teach other people about our history